Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, video card crash with error code FHC02, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix it. The first solution is the easier one. You're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. And now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, go into install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, it will verify your game's files. And now open up your web browser and then you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's driver. So I'll show you AMD first and then I'll show you NVIDIA and Intel. Click resources and support, click drivers, scroll down on here, click graphics, select Radeon RX, click your graphic card series and then model, select your operating system, download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers here. Now onto NVIDIA, go into nvidia.com, click drivers, select your graphics card here and then click find and it will find you the latest GeForce game ready drivers. You're going to install the drivers on your computer. Now onto Intel, go onto intel.com, click on support here, download center then, click graphics, search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750 for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now I have another solution, but this one is only for AMD and NVIDIA. So for AMD, what you're going to do is going to right click on your desktop, click AMD software here, go into performance, tuning, make sure automatic tuning is set to default. So don't have any overclocks or underclocks running on your graphics card. And then onto NVIDIA, you're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel. And here you're going to go into help and then you're going to make sure that you enable debug mode here. What debug mode does is it resets your graphic card's overclocks to the factory settings. So just have debug mode turned on. And I'll also add in a bonus solution for you. So if you have any overlays running like Discord's overlay, MSI Afterburner, RTSS, those types of overlays, you can disable those before you start the game. So just close out any overlay applications that you may have running and then run the game, and that should fix your issue. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.